went to the shrine of Baha'i.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that is a precious experience to be in the shrine of Baha'i. How long ago was your pilgrimage?
It was 2000.
You were ahead of me. We didn't make it till, let's see, 2007. It's been about 50 years and just.
All right, friends.
Yeah, became Baha'i stories. Yeah. It's in Baha'i 20 in 1967.
I want one.
2017. My math tells me it's 50. I'm 70 years old.
Okay, so comically, I hosted this piece last year apparently, and I'd already picked out devotions. I've just looked at the numbering. There's not a number one, so.
Opening prayer.
So yeah, we'll do an opening prayer. So there's 2 through 6. I don't remember if I numbered them specifically that way because I broke up the tablet into several parts. I don't know. We'll just stick to the order, I guess.
A year ago.
Yeah. So let's start with this song. Let's go. You want to sing something? Then you can start something that will sing with it.
Me?
Yeah.
Kelsey has a bad voice.
My God,
My beloved, my heart's desire.